Imagine turning simple peanuts, almonds, or cashews into a creamy product people buy every single day. Now imagine producing that product right from a small kitchen or workshop and selling it online, in grocery stores, or even to cafes. The global demand for natural peanut butter, almond butter, and healthy spreads is growing fast, and many small entrepreneurs are building profitable brands using just nut butter machines. In this video, we'll explore 7 powerful nut butter machines that can help you start a food business and potentially make $5,000 or more per month. The Gondor fully automatic peanut butter processing line is designed for large-scale nut butter production. This system can process peanuts, almonds, cashews, and other nuts into smooth butter with consistent texture. It includes multiple stages such as roasting, peeling, grinding, and mixing to ensure high-quality output. With a production capacity ranging from 100 to 1,000 kilograms per hour, it is suitable for commercial factories and growing food brands. Many food startups use machines like this to produce packaged peanut butter for supermarkets and online stores. Because of its automation and high output, this type of processing line can support large production volumes. Businesses using systems like this can easily supply restaurants, grocery stores, and wholesale food distributors. But here's something most beginners don't know. Some of the most profitable nut butter brands actually start with small machines costing just a few $100s. So make sure you watch until the end, because one of the machines later in this video is perfect for starting a small, home-based nut butter business. The Henan Ocean Tahini and sesame paste production line is designed for small to medium food businesses that want to produce nut butter efficiently. This machine can grind sesame seeds, peanuts, and other nuts into smooth paste using a powerful grinding system. With a production capacity between 100 and 800 kilograms per hour, it is ideal for specialty food brands, restaurants, and packaged food manufacturers. Many businesses use machines like this to produce tahini, peanut butter, almond butter, and other spreads. The system focuses on maintaining flavor and texture while producing large batches quickly. This type of equipment allows entrepreneurs to launch their own nut butter brand and sell products in jars or bulk containers. The HNOC Automatic Tahini Maker is a versatile grinding machine designed to produce sesame paste, peanut butter, and various nut-based sauces. It uses a strong grinding mechanism that ensures smooth and consistent paste production. With a production capacity ranging from 60 to 800 kilograms per hour, the machine is suitable for both small food workshops and commercial food factories. Many entrepreneurs use equipment like this to produce spreads for local markets, bakeries, and health food stores. Its stainless steel design also ensures hygienic food processing and easy cleaning. Machines like this are often used by startups launching organic or natural nut butter brands. Now, before we move to the next machine, here's an important tip. The real profit in the nut butter business often comes from premium and specialty flavors like honey peanut butter, chocolate almond butter, or organic sesame paste. These unique products can sell for 2 to 3 times the price of regular peanut butter. The DZJX industrial colloid mill is a powerful grinding machine used to produce peanut butter, sesame paste, chili sauce, and other food pastes. It uses a high-speed grinding system that crushes nuts and seeds into smooth, creamy butter. With a production capacity of around 150 to 200 kilograms per hour, it is suitable for medium-scale food businesses. Many small food manufacturers use colloid mills like this to produce peanut butter for restaurants and packaged food brands. The stainless steel construction also makes it durable and safe for food processing environments. Machines like this are commonly used in small food factories producing spreads, sauces, and condiments. For example, producing 1 jar of peanut butter may cost around $1 to $2, including peanuts and packaging. But many natural peanut butter brands sell similar jars for $6 to $12 in retail stores or online. If a small business sells just 50 jars per day, that could generate $300 to $600 in daily revenue. And that's why many entrepreneurs are turning nut butter production into a profitable small food business. This stainless steel colloid mill nut butter machine is designed for smaller food businesses and startups entering the nut butter market. It can grind peanuts, almonds, cashews, and other nuts into smooth spreads with consistent texture. With a production capacity of around 30 kilograms per batch, it is perfect for small workshops, cafes, and home-based food businesses. Many entrepreneurs start with compact machines like this to produce small batches of fresh nut butter for local markets or farmers markets. The machine's compact design also makes it easy to install in limited spaces. Small machines like this allow new businesses to test products before scaling production. The TEGNAO commercial peanut butter making machine is designed for small commercial production and specialty food businesses. It can grind peanuts, sesame seeds, and other nuts into creamy spreads with a smooth texture. With a production capacity of 20 to 25 kilograms per hour, it is suitable for cafés, small food brands, and local food processing businesses. Machines like this are often used to produce fresh peanut butter that can be sold directly to customers. The compact design and stainless steel body also make it easy to maintain and clean. Many small businesses use machines like this to produce fresh nut butter for health food stores and local markets. Another powerful opportunity is private labeling. Many supermarkets, gyms, and health food stores look for local producers to supply branded nut butter products. With the right machine and packaging, small entrepreneurs can supply these stores and grow into a full food brand. The Foodsense nut butter grinding machine is designed for efficient, small to medium-scale nut butter production. It can process peanuts, almonds, sesame seeds, and other nuts into smooth spreads with consistent quality. With a production capacity of 20 to 30 kilograms per hour, it is suitable for small food brands, cafes, and packaged food startups. Many businesses use machines like this to produce natural nut butter without additives. The stainless steel construction ensures food safety and durability for long-term operation. Entrepreneurs often use compact machines like this to build small nut butter brands and sell products through local stores or online markets. So those were 7 nut butter machines that can help you start a profitable food business. If you're thinking about entering the healthy food market, nut butter production is one of the simplest and fastest businesses to start. Comment below and tell me, which machine would you choose to start your nut butter business? And if you want to discover more machines that can help you build profitable businesses, make sure to subscribe and check out the next video on your screen.